In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do ClickUp note-taking step by step. Taking notes is an essential part of staying organized and being productive, and ClickUp offers a great feature to help you keep track of your thoughts, tasks, and more. Let's go through this process together, making sure that you can easily follow along and implement the steps on your own. First things first, you'll need to head over to ClickUp's official website. ClickUp is widely recognized as an all-encompassing app designed to streamline your work. Now, once you arrive at the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner and click on the Login button. If you're already familiar with ClickUp, you should find this quite straightforward. For those who aren't, the login area is generally accessible and intuitive, making it easy to sign in. After clicking Login, you will be presented with several sign-in options. One of the quickest methods is to sign in through Google. If you're like me and love saving time where you can, this option is extremely advantageous. By clicking on the Sign in with Google button, you'll streamline your login process significantly. Select the Google account you intend to use for ClickUp. It's typically the account already registered or frequently used on this platform. Be sure that your selected Google account is set up for ClickUp to avoid any access issues. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll be welcomed by the familiar ClickUp dashboard. Now, the next step is really the heart of the note-taking process. Look towards the top right of your dashboard. Here, you'll notice a notepad icon. This is your gateway to starting and managing your notes in ClickUp. Click on this icon, and it will direct you to the notepad feature within ClickUp. With the notepad open, you're ready to create a new note. You should see a button that prompts you to create a note. Feel free to click on it to get started. If you've made it to this point, congratulations, you're well on your way to becoming adept at utilizing ClickUp's note-taking capabilities. Now comes the creative part, typing your note. Use this area as your digital canvas to jot down ideas, make reminders, or draft outlines for future projects. The flexibility of the note section means you can expand and edit your content as your thoughts evolve. Whether you're planning your next big project or simply capturing quick ideas, this space will cater to your every need. And there you have it in simple and easy to follow steps. You now know how to use ClickUp for note-taking. Whether it's for work, study, or personal organization, ClickUp's note feature is a fantastic tool to keep in your productivity toolbox. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. Until next time, happy note-taking.